So I just wanted to do a quick video to announce that it is official, we have won our battle against Meet Kevin. So if you don't know, Meet Kevin illegally copyright striked my DUI video, claiming it was his video, claiming he owned it, when in reality it was owned by the Florida Police Department and I published it to my channel. He took it down, I got a copyright strike, and as you can see, it is now public. I will have a link below to this video. You can watch it now on my channel, and I am very happy that YouTube made the correct decision. It was a long process that took about 2 weeks of constantly emailing YouTube to do the correct thing and get this video put back up. I had to provide a bunch of evidence that I was the actual person who found this content, who specifically got it from the Florida Police Department and posted it. Kevin actually posted it on his channel. He doesn't actually show it on his channel, but he has the video privately. And he uploaded it before I did. So he's claiming, he uploaded it first, it's my content. Not true, right? This is the property of the Florida Police Department, and what he did was absolutely wrong to claim this video when he had no right whatsoever to claim it. So it's now back up. I have to give props to YouTube for doing the correct thing. They should have done this 2 weeks ago. They shouldn't have allowed him to hide this video for 2 weeks, but they finally did the right thing. The video is now up. I'll have a link to it. And hopefully going forward, we won't have any more of these illegal copyright strikes by Meet Kevin, but I'll let you know if anything changes.